It's a new 2019 Buick Enclave. Smart, sleek, and beautiful, it shatters expectations of what a crossover should be. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: streaming audio, power tilt-down heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, automatic transmission, hands-free liftgate, automatic with driver control suspension management, and V6 engine. For Buick, the efficient, stylish, upscale crossover had single-handedly resuscitated a brand that previously looked as healthy as Oldsmobile. In a Buick, you get innovative technology and sophisticated design for the real world. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.